Hello beauty, welcome back to my channel. How are you guys doing today? I hope you guys doing great. Did you know banana and egg are very great for your hair? So keep watching to know how I prepare these ingredients. Even kids and adults can also use it. Here let me start blending 2 banana and 2 egg together. Also add 1 tablespoon of almond oil and 1 tablespoon of olive oil. You can also skip the almond oil, olive oil is okay.
Hold me close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah. No, I don't wanna waste what's left. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways. And
Thanks for your support. I hope you love this video. Don't miss other video in my channel. Stay tuned. Goodbye beauty. See you soon.